Removing the original SV406P piece and directly inserting the SV205 Camera or SV405 camera into the SV406P piece will result in them failing to focus. To achieve focus between the SV205 Camera or SV405 camera and the SV406 Telescope, you will need to use the Svbony adapter F919 for a plus F9160 for a Svbony M40 to *0.75 to 1.25 coaxial. You put Svbony adapter F919 for a plus F916 for a Svbony M40 to *0.75 to 1.25 coaxial with SV406P original eyepiece. Then adjust the SV406P fine focus wheels until the image becomes clear. They use the eyepiece imaging method. When using the SV205, you need to lower the resolution appropriately. Otherwise, the magnification will be too high, making it difficult to observe close-up targets. If you are using an astronomical camera with an anti-reflective coating on the high protection windows and the SV406 Telescope to photograph terrestrial scenes, please add a UVI or cut filter.